question number 2 of the same exercise. It is given that the diagonals of trapezium ABCD, where AB is parallel to CD, they intersect at point O. The relation between AB and CD is given. AB is twice then CD. So we have to find out the ratio of triangle AOB and COD. So first of all, remember students, you have to show that these two triangles are similar, AOB and COD. If you show them they are similar, then only we can find out the ratio by using the theorem 6.7. So let us first show here that these two triangles are similar. So for triangle AOB and triangle COD, for the similarity, we can clearly see that angle AOB and angle COD are same. We can mention they are vertically opposite angles. One of the same kind of question we have also done in the exercise 6.3. So AOB and COD, they are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. One more angle we can show them they are equal. That you can see that as AB is given parallel to CD. Excuse me. So we can say that ABO is same as ODC. Again, ABO same as ODC. Reason they are pair of alternate interior angles. Because AB is parallel to CD and BC is the transversal. So here the angle criteria exists for this. So we can show that these two triangles are similar. As O corresponds with O and B corresponds with D, so automatically A corresponds with C. So we have used angle criteria. Now according to theorem 6.7, where the two triangles are similar to each other, the area of ratio of these two triangles are, yes, in the square of proportional that corresponding sides. So here the ratio of the corresponding sides are given, that AB is equals to twice CD. So let us first note it down by theorem 6.7. The ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equals to the square of their corresponding sides. But AB is twice CD. So let's note it down as AB is twice CD. We can cancel here. This is I have written from data that AB is twice CD. So we can obtain the value which we required. Area of AOB to the area of COD. It's square of 2 upon 1. So we can write 4 or 4 upon 1. You can write both the answers. Both are same. You can also write only 4. Can also be written 4 upon 1. Continue with the question number 3. It is given that in triangle ABC and triangle DBC, ABC and DBC, this both triangle has one common base, that is BC. The line segment BC and AD, they intersect each other at point O. So we have to show that the area of ABC to the area of DBC is equals to AO upon DO. So now let's prove this, how we can do this sum. So it is very clear from the question, we need to find out the area of triangle ABC. We have to show that these two are similar triangles. We cannot show the similar triangles here. So let's find out the area of triangle ABC. Again, to find out the area, we require to construct a perpendicular. So what I'll do here, we'll construct the perpendicular from A to BC. Let me give the name like this, that is AM. So construct AM perpendicular to BC. Similarly, we have to construct, DN perpendicular to BC. Now we all know that the formula of area of triangle, that is half into its corresponding base into height, or we can say altitude. So let's find out the area of this both the triangle. So area of triangle ABC, so that is half. If we consider AM as an altitude, so BC come as base. So BC into AM. Similarly, for triangle DBC, half into its base BC, which is common, into DL. As we require the ratio of this two, so area of ABC to the area of DBC. So you can see that half as well as BC will cut. So we'll get AM upon DL. This is what we utilize later on. But we do not require AM DN, we require AO and DO. So that means we have to show that these two ratios must be same. So look at these two ratios. If we see the numerator AO and AM, so they are of triangle AOM. So again I will show the correspondence for triangle AMO or AOM and triangle D and O. Let us again show the relation between this. So we can here clearly understand that both the angles are same because they both are right angles. M is right angle as well as N is right angle. As we have mentioned here, they both are perpendicular. One more angle it is same, that is AOM and angle DOM. The reason they are vertically opposite angles. So angle criteria exists here. So we can see that this AMO is similar to M corresponds with N, O corresponds with O, so automatically A corresponds with D by angle criteria. So when the two triangles are similar to each other, we know that the corresponding sides are also in the same ratio. So AM upon DN is equals to, I'll take this one, AO upon DO. I'll give this as an equation number 2. Now look at the equation 1 and 2. So instead of AM upon DN, we can write AO upon DO. So if I'll note it down, we can see that we proved it. So from 1 and 2, we can say that area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle DBC is equals to, instead of this, I'll write down AO upon DO. Hence, the required is proved. Let us continue with the next question number 4. It is given that there are two triangles which are similar as well as their areas are equal. So it is mentioned into the question, if the area of two similar triangles are same, so we have to prove that they are congruent triangles. So we have already understand that is the meaning between the similarity and the congruent. Similar triangles and congruent triangles. So let us continue with this, as it is already given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So when two triangles are similar, we know that the corresponding sides are in same ratio as well as AC upon PR. One more thing, that corresponding angles are also equal. So A is equals to P, B is equals to Q and C is equals to R. Now here we know that according to the theorem 6.6, we discussed that when the two triangles are similar, the ratio of area of that two triangles equals to the square of their corresponding sides. So AB upon PQ the whole square. This is I have written from theorem 6.6. BC upon QR and AC upon PR. But as in the data, it is given that area of this triangle ABC is same as area of PQR. When the area is equal, we can say that the ratio must be 1. So we can say that the AB upon PQ the whole square same as BC upon QR same AC upon PR. So when the square of the ratios are same, that is 1. So we can say that AB upon PQ is same as BC upon QR is same as AC upon PR, that is equals to 1. So when this all the ratio is 1, so we can come to the conclusion that AB is same as PQ, BC is same as QR and AC is same as PR. So here we prove for this two triangle that corresponding sides are equal and data already given that corresponding angles are same. So we can say that triangle ABC is congruent with triangle PQR. Hence the required is proved. Let us continue one another good question of this exercise, the question number 5. So it is given into the question that D, E and F are respectively midpoints of AB, BC and AC. So we have to find out the ratio of area of triangle DEF to the area of triangle ABC. So here you can see that the ratios were required. So first we need to show that they must be the similar triangles. And after we'll find out the ratio. To show the similarity, they have clearly mentioned that D, E and F are respectively the midpoint. So as it is given that D is the midpoint of AB, so and E is the midpoint of BC. So in the 9th standard we'll discuss that by using the midpoint theorem, we can say that this length DE is half of AC. Using midpoint theorem, अगर आप नहीं लिखोगे तो I think it's fine. But this is, I want to recall you, midpoint theorem which we learned in the 9th standard. So we can say that DE is half of AC. So we can write that DE upon AC is 1 by 2. I have taken AC on the left hand side. Similarly, you can see that D and F are the midpoints of these two sides. Similarly, D and F are midpoints of AB and AC respectively. So we can say that DF upon BC is equals to half. And similarly, E and F are the midpoints. So we'll write it direct that EF upon AB is equals to 1 by 2. So you can see the ratio of all these three are same. Now as it is DE upon AC is equals to DF upon BC is equals to EF upon AB. They all are same. So we can say this two triangle must be similar. So let's see that what the similarity, which is not important, but we have to show that. Here the two equal, that is the common point is D and C. So D corresponds with C. So E corresponds with A and automatically F with B. So by using SSS, now we'll use theorem 6.6. If the two triangles are similar, the ratio of area of that two triangles is equals to square of their corresponding sides. But as we know that DE upon AC is half, so that is 1 by 2 the whole square, so that is 1 by 4. So we obtain the answer that area of DEF is to area of ABC is equals to 1:4. So remember, this is also kind of formula you have to remember. This can be useful to solve many objectives also.